Hey sneakerheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exclusive look at the hottest kicks set to dominate 2024. From eco-friendly collaborations to iconic retros, we've got it all. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest sneaker news. Let's kick it off with our first release. Now, if you're all about sustainability, the END-X Adidas Centennial Low Present is the one for you. This eco-friendly marvel, part of Adidas's Consortium Cup, boasts vegan leather uppers and a stunning earthly green hue on the three stripes branding. But here's the catch. It's up for grabs through a raffle, and you've got until January 11th to secure your chance. Don't miss out on this unique and environmentally conscious pair. Moving on to the court, Nike basketball is turning heads with the GT Cut 3, featuring enhanced design, flywire support, and the debut of Nike's Zoom X cushioning in a basketball shoe. This is a game changer. And guess what? It's hitting the shelves on January 13th, 2024, with a price range from $65 to $190. Subscribe and stay tuned for a sneak peek into how Jewel Lloyd, guard for the Seattle Storm, feels about these kicks. Love is in the air with Valentine's Day around the corner, and so is the Nike Air Force 1 Low Layers of Love. Constructed from premium suede and featuring a vibrant color palette, these kicks are set to drop on February 13th, 2024, just in time for the most romantic day of the year. Are you ready to cop these love-infused sneakers? Let us know in the comments. LeBron James fans, get excited! The Nike LeBron 4. Fruity Pebbles is making a comeback in spring 2024, inspired by LeBron's favorite cereal. This highly sought-after PE is a true gem. With a unique design and a drop-in Zoom Air insole, these are not to be missed. Mark your calendars for February 23rd, 2024, and let the nostalgia kick in. Jordan enthusiasts, get ready for a blast from the past. The Air Jordan 9 OG. Powder Blue is making its return in spring 2024. Crafted with true OG specs and a timeless design, these sneakers are set to drop on March 23rd, 2024 for $200. Stay tuned for a trip down memory lane with this iconic pair. Adidas is bringing sophistication to the game with the Samba OG made in Italy. Crafted from high-end leather in a sleek black gum colorway, these kicks are the epitome of luxury. Set to release on January 16th, 2024 for $180. These Italian-crafted sneakers are a must-have for those who appreciate expert craftsmanship and style. Ready for a tropical twist? The Nike Dunk Low Miami Dolphins is surfacing soon, featuring a colorway inspired by the vibrant hues of the Miami Dolphins. With a release date of January 17th, 2024, and a price tag of $115, these kicks are perfect for those looking to add a splash of color to their collection. Ladies, get ready for a celebration of the Year of the Dragon with the Air Jordan 2 Low WMNs CNY. With premium materials, auspicious jade accents, and metallic gold details, these sneakers are a work of art. Dropping on January 24th, 2024 for $165, they're the perfect blend of style and tradition. Closing out our sneaker extravaganza, we have the Nike LeBron 21 Aragonite. Inspired by the carbonate mineral, these kicks feature captivating hues and mother-of-pearl elements. Released in Korea and set to drop in the US on February 8th, 2024 for $210, these sneakers are a futuristic masterpiece. What do you think about this shoe? Comment down below. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate sneak peek into the hottest kicks of 2024. Which pair are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exclusive sneaker content. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it stylish, and keep rocking those kicks.